Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you about waypoints. If you're not familiar with waypoints, waypoints is a little bit like stop in motion. What it'll do is it'll compile a whole bunch of images into a video so you can watch for your pleasure. All right, so let's get started. So what you want to do is click on your screen, right? And you see that little right thingy right there that looks like a film. Press it, make sure you're in video, and scroll. Okay, so click on hyperlapse. When you do that, the screen's going to get a little bit smaller. Okay, and then scroll on the left, right, and then on the bottom you see waypoint. Click it and you'll see a little video snippet. And then most people like to choose a range. This is going to be in a smaller range, but sometimes you can do a skyline. All right, so what you want to do is down at the bottom, set waypoint. See that little plus sign? Okay, what you do is you press it, right? But when you press it, you're going to see camera rotation angle. It's 0. It's too small. So what you want to do is move the camera at a good point. So this is where the drone's going to fly to for its first waypoint experience. See, 33. That looks pretty good, right? So I'm going to press the second one. When you press the second one, too small. And what you're going to do is you're going to fly the drone to a nice area where it's going to create the second waypoint, sort of stop in motion effect of the video, if that makes any sense to you. Okay, 46, that's pretty good. You'll go back, right? This is the flight path, remember. Okay, and we'll do another one. So we add it, again, too small. The drone's going to fly to a certain point, an area, right? Whether it's a skyline, in this case it's me, it could be a building, it could be the water. And remember, this is going to be the flight path that it's going to do. Okay, 75 is pretty good. Okay, so when you press that little button on the right, see where it's a little camera thing, right? The little red button. There you go. And now it's going to take 4 minutes and 10 seconds to create that whole video. But we're going to do all scrubbing for you. We're just going to scrub through it and fast forward. Okay, so basically everything just happens magically. The drone just works its stuff. So you take a picture, it takes another picture, and it's 4 of 125 images. Okay, see, video created successfully. Once it's done, you press play. Okay, and all your videos will show up, and that one should be the first one. See that? Waypoint, 0.5 seconds. Look at that, and let's press play and see what happens. Look at that. See that? That was the flight path that it took to create that video. You can make it a longer flight path. Just make sure that your battery's charged, okay? Because it's gonna, fly for that long to create that video. Let's see if I can land it on the landing pad. And I hope this video helps you, in your future videos that you can create. And feel free to leave your comments and suggestions down below. And I'll see you all next time.